はい、こんにちは。In this video, you'll learn the basic function of the mo particle. The mo particle in Japanese is used as the word for to or also in English. We will learn how to use mo in the x は y です sentence pattern. Basically, we can just replace は with mo. Let's see some examples. The first example is This is a book. これは本です。Let's try to say This too is a book. That will be これも本です。これも本です。Notice the も particle simply replaced the は particle. Let's see another example. Maru is a student. マルさんは学生です。Let's try to say Shiro too is a student. That will be シロさんも学生です。シロさんも学生です。Again, notice that も replaced は。Please pay attention to where the も particle is placed. In English, the word to can be placed at the end of the sentence, but not in Japanese. The mo particle must be placed directly after Shiro-san because Shiro-san too is a student, in addition to Maru-san that has been mentioned as being a student. Let's see how mo is used in a conversation. Let's say someone said, Maru is a student. Maru-san は学生です。And you want to say, Shiro too is a student. The full sentence is, シロさんも学生です。But in a conversation, we don't need to repeat the same information if it's already clear. So we can say, シロさんもです。Which means something similar to, so is シロ. Another example is, let's say Maru-san said, I am a cat. 私は猫です。And Shiro wants to say, me too. She can say, 私もです。私もです。Which can be translated as, me too, or so am I. Today we learned how to use the も particle in the x は y です sentence pattern. ありがとうございます。